A whole Prodigy video, and today I'm going to be playing Prodigy, but the most important part is that if you want to get a much of these, if you have a class with a lot of students, you want, see this guy right here, my friend, has a ultra membership. And he has nowhere near me. And I have 91 correct answers. I have no membership. Sorry, my dog just barked. So, first thing you want to do, if you want to get more stuff, you really want to go to Dragon Isle if you have Rift Keys. Or the best way to do it is to go to here and then don't use free play or Moonlit Crash. You have to use these old too. So you have to spend coins to play. And then those coins, and if you win, you get more coins. For example, this one is only for members because of the key. And it's 400 coins to play one. And it's 1,000 gold if you win. These two right here give the most. So this one right here doesn't give as much as the boss hunters. Spellmasters doesn't give as much as the boss hunters, like I said. And the best way to do it also is to just battle pets. That's basically it. All you have to do is battle people or battle pets and win. So, I don't have a membership, like a core membership or anything like that. So, I am very unlucky right now. So I'm gonna do something important to Prodigy. There is like a beta testing, which means 1,000 people have it. It's like a pet shop. It's like a pet shop, yeah. I don't have it. Only like 1,000 people have it. And there's like millions of people playing Prodigy. This is my class. He right here is the second person. He has a membership, but it doesn't show because he's in not a core, but an ultra. Or the other, yeah, it's the other one. What is it called? Let me go to Prodigy membership. Let me see it. It's called Plus. He has that. He pays $11.25 a month. So that's crazy. And I have more than him. So shout out to him. He has a YouTube channel named Prodigy Boss. I'll link it down in the description below. I know. What the? It goes off the chart. See, it goes into these stuff, which you can build things using the same elements. If I find a way to trade, I'm giving away a cool amount called gold coin. If you want it for yourself and you have enough Magi coin, go to the Sky High, I think, and then go to the new section. Oh, it's not here. Let me go back. And then I think it's on this one. So go to Ocean 1. And then, nope. Sorry, guys. Go to the Hot Threads. I think I'm going to do an order. Yep. If you go to Hot Threads, which is click right here. Click it. Then it'll say Hot Threads. Click it. then it will go to new. Click next. And then you see gold coin, which is important to me. If you are a member and has a lot of treasure check quests, you go to rewards. This is 2025 January, which ends in like 4 days. If you go all the way to 59 and you are a core member on the treasure check, you'll get this cool thing that I used to be it, but this is what it does. It's very useful, so I would do that. Let me wear it. It's better than any other else. So get it quick. It ends in 4 days. So hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys in the next video. Also, if you want to friend me, my name is George K5083 or George of the Forest. So that is my name. And then I will be here most of the time. So, yeah. Hope you guys have a great day. And as always, stay safe and bye.